The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. At around 12:32 a.m. Eastern Time, a large fire was discovered on the moon. Now there's like a mini sun in the sky that's ruining the night for everyone in the United States. It is unknown what's the cause of the fire, but NASA is currently on a spaceship, flying to the moon to put out the fire. This shouldn't take too long. It is expected for this fire to be put out in the next 1 or 2 hours. All residents of the United States are advised to go back to sleep. This is a warning because it is possible that this situation could get worse. We are not sure how this could get worse, but take extra precautions, and if you're outside, go inside now as a precaution. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. Some explosions have occurred on the moon, which is currently on fire. Rocks from the moon are beginning to be blown up from the moon's surface due to the large fires. We are not sure how these explosions are occurring because no electricity or other flammable materials are on the moon, unless some idiot scientist tried to create life on the moon. It is unknown where these rocks will impact, but it is said that at least 2 of the states in the United States will be impacted by the rocks. Right now, we are advising everyone to stick to your current task. No action needs to be taken at this time. Remain tuned to this station for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA and the United States government. A large explosion from the moon has just occurred at around 1:34 a.m. Eastern Time. The explosion, which NASA claims, has caused the moon to somehow fall off its path, falling towards the Earth. Additionally, large rocks from the moon have been blown from the moon, which these rocks are falling towards the Earth. Expect large rocks to be falling in the following states: North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Ohio, Maine, New York, Alabama, and Georgia. These states will suffer extreme damage when this happens. The Earth is expected to collide with Earth by 6 a.m. Eastern Time, which is in approximately 4 hours and 25 minutes. These rocks are expected to strike these states within approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes. As these rocks are falling faster than the moon due to this large explosion. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. Welcome to the Emergency News Network. We have some news right now. NASA has failed to put out the fire on the moon due to the explosion and the fire instantly burning everyone on the spaceship alive. The outcome of the situation is not confirmed at this time, but it could be the moon striking the moon, which is expected to occur around 6 a.m. Eastern Time. NASA is trying to destroy the moon to prevent the end of the world from occurring. No action needs to be taken at this time, but when these rocks strike these states, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Ohio, Maine, New York, Alabama, and Georgia, prepare to seek shelter right away. Additionally, these rocks are still on fire, so get ready for a possible wildfire to occur in these states. You are ordered to not panic during this situation, as panicking will not increase your chance of survival. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. Rocks are beginning to strike the states mentioned. At around 3:05 a.m. Eastern Time, rocks from the moon that are still on fire are striking the states affected. The United States government is urging all residents in these states to evacuate immediately. If not possible, get underground immediately. Already, these burning rocks have killed 5 people, and many fires are occurring across these states as a result. The moon is now 1 hour and 30 minutes away from colliding with Earth. NASA is still trying to destroy the moon to prevent it from ending all life as we know it. All residents in these states, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Ohio, Maine, New York, Alabama, and Georgia, are urged to evacuate immediately. Do not wait, evacuate now. Do not stop anywhere or do anything that does not relate to the evacuation order. Evacuate now. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. The moon is about 1 hour and 30 minutes from colliding with Earth. The moon is totally burning, and temperatures are rising higher than usual. The states that will be impacted by the moon are in a mandatory evacuation as a result. The following states are ordered to evacuate immediately: Texas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, Kansas, New Mexico, and Colorado, as the moon may strike these states in the next 90 minutes. NASA is launching a missile at the moon to prevent it from ending all life on Earth as we know it. You are ordered to not panic during this dark time, as panicking will not protect you from this disaster and will just make the situation worse. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. This is not a test. Again, this is not a test. The moon is about 30 minutes from colliding with Earth. The moon is still on fire too. This will be the death of mankind. The moon colliding with Earth is similar to an asteroid event. When the moon impacts, giant mega tsunamis, as well as earthquakes will form, and the sun will be blocked entirely for about 30 years. All life on Earth will die when this happens. NASA also confirms that there's no way to stop the moon from colliding with Earth. Everyone, gather your friends, family, and pets, and await your eventual death. This is the EAS guy, Paul, signing off. Enjoy your death.
La 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 la.